Hi everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend. First of all, thank you for choosing to watch this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and check our channel for more videos like this. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you how to remove labels in Gmail. So the first one is removing label in a specific email. Like for example, this one. I want to remove the label because I have labeled it as personal. So what you're gonna do is right click on this email and then click label as and then uncheck it. So what you're gonna do is apply, and then as you can see, it has removed the label from the personal. It is also not here anymore. So let's try to refresh this. It's not there. Okay. So the second one is how to remove the label or the main label itself. So what you're gonna do is choose the label that you want to remove, then click this three dots. You can also hide the label if you don't want to remove it or edit it or add some label. But since this video is how to remove label, we're gonna be clicking this remove label. And then as you can see, it shows how many conversations you have labeled using that label. So let's delete this. And as you can see, the label personal was removed. And that's basically how you remove labels in Gmail. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. And thank you very much for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye!